our Deputy President, Tukiona Gachagua, Cabinet Secretary, Machogu, members of Parliament led by Majority Leader, Kimani Ichung'wah, our local Member of Parliament, our Women Rep, Mheshimiwa Walari, Bwana Kahangara, former Governor, Waititu, our Chief Principal, and your team, wachungaji wetu hapo kwenye jukwaa, Archdeacon Venerable Kamau and Archdeacon Venerable Dandi, and our school chaplain. God is good, and all the time. Our parents, we want to welcome you here to the school and to Kiambu County. Your Excellency, I won't say much. I want first to recognize that this is one school that has made Kiambu proud, Your Excellency. When we pride ourselves as a county, and people count, how many exemplary schools do we have in Kiambu? If you miss out Lemuru Girls, then you don't know Kiambu. And I want to congratulate the leadership that has been here in this school, because continuously you have upheld us. And the current girls in school, we are certain that even this year, as you sit for your exams, you are only going to take the bar higher. Sindio? Siku ilianza aje leo? Did it start well? We had our breakfast and we enjoyed it. Now I'll tell you something before I finish, because we also have Rigiji, and you know Rigiji, Sindio? I'll tell you just before I finish. But just to say very quickly, Your Excellency, number one, I want to request mchungaji at your own time, uombe Kimani Ichung'wah, ndio hiyo mambo ya US. Ikwishe na atulie hapa sasa kwa vile ni mtu wetu. Secondly, Your Excellency,